Hey you, welcome to my office. I rarely record from here, but I wanted to show you something that I think will be very beneficial for you passing your NCLEX exam. I know you've probably heard about the DVD program and how students are using it to pass, but did you know all of the great information in the DVD program we have in our online academy? Yes! So if you're struggling like, oh, what should I be studying? What should I be doing? And you want to get started right away, the online program is a great choice for you. Let me show you how easy it is and all the great things that are in it. And we have the Online Academy right here ready to go for you. You're able to see your progress and your overall grade. It's so cool. And when you open up the modules, you'll see that there's 7 modules with all of our lectures. And not only that, we have homework and progress exams and quick facts quizzes that you can get that 100% on. So right here, you can get the lectures that we have on your computer, studying instantly. Also, we have pop-up homework quizzes that are great, that are going to allow you to demonstrate your knowledge. And when you log in, you're going to love this. You get the full NCLEX review right at your fingertips. It comes with a downloadable workbook, your quick facts, you know you love that, the 5-star quick facts, and you also have a study calendar so you never have to figure out when you're studying and what you're studying. I love the Online Academy because it also shows your progress and your overall grade in all of your homework, practice exams, and quick facts quizzes. Yes, we have quick facts built right into this program. You know what? I want to say this. I'm so confident about the Online Academy that if you don't get your license, I'm going to give you your money back. Isn't that awesome? Like, if you don't pass NCLEX, you'll get your money back. I want you to truly be free. I want you to truly be free from studying for NCLEX. Get the Online Academy, get the content you need, plus the critical thinking, get your license, or get your money back. You can, you will, you must pass NCLEX.